Hi everyone, I'm Ayush Singhal and I'm the founder and CEO of CodeMate.ai, which is Grammarly for programmers because we started it with a simple mission to make programming journey super easy and fun, just like Grammarly did for English content writing. We wanted to give the same level of confidence to each and every developer around the world by helping them in their day-to-day tasks like code debugging and code reviewing. So we focus on the biggest problem of any developer around the world, which is writing good quality code efficiently. So everyone tells how to write code, but no one focuses on how to write good quality code. And we believe this is what matters in the software industry because developers should focus on building products rather than spending their time on non-productive tasks like code debugging and code reviewing. And the stats speaks out themselves how immensely this problem is becoming because the developers are eventually spending more amount of time in fixing the errors in their code than actually writing the code. And the existing developer environments do not solve this problem because of the lack of context awareness of the organization code base and documentation. This illustration clearly depicts the problem which we are trying to solve because even after the launch of ChatGPT and the lots of AI tools which are wrapped around ChatGPT, it lacks the context awareness of the entire code base or the documentations or the resources which the organization has having. And now the developers are able to generate code in a fraction of time, but now they are spending more amount of time in fixing the errors and making the code as per their requirement. So CodeMate is basically an AI pair programmer that gets integrated into your existing development environment and helps the developers in writing, fixing, and maintaining their code base. Through CodeMate, you can simply import your existing code bases, link your GitHub repositories, or add any sort of documentations you are referring from. And then it just acts like your buddy. Hey, can you just fix this error for me? Or hey, can you explain this portion of code to me? Or hey, can you review this code for me? And so on and so forth. It Imagine it like an experienced developer sitting beside you and helping you at every stage whenever you get stuck while coding. So this is a snapshot of our VS Code extension. You can also install our command line if you're not a VS Code user. And then you can simply use CodeMate chat and ask questions. If it is a like new code base you're working at, you can ask it what all routes have been defined in the project. It goes through your entire code base, finds out the relevant files to answer your question, and then gives you the curated response along with the files it referred from. And this is a snapshot of our competitors or the most popular AI tool for coding, Copilot. It also lacks context awareness. It is not able to go through your each and every files into your code base or maybe your knowledge base and then answer your question. Or this is another example of Tab9, which hallucinates or assumes these must be the routes present to your code base. So with CodeMate, you can not only ask questions related to your particular code base, but you can import multiple code bases and ask questions related to that as well. So we follow a simple subscription-based model, starting with $30 a month, which goes to the teams and the enterprise plan. This is a $1 billion market opportunity which we are catering upon. Since we started with the Indian market, we focuses on the developers and the development teams, and there's a $1 billion market opportunity with $100 with our average revenue per user. Coming on to the competitor analysis, the major differentiation of CodeMate is the context awareness. With CodeMate, you can also fix errors, which other tools claims but not able to because error fixing requires the context awareness of the entire code base. And also, yeah, we offer the on-premises deployment, which a majority of competitors does not allow. So this is a team. I handle the tech and product at CodeMate. Ramneek handles the sales and marketing. And we have some amazing mentors, Tapan and Anirudh. And we recognized by like few players, and we're also the alumni of Google for Developers Startup Bootcamp. We've also been recognized by NASCOM and INC42 GenAI reports. Thank you, and let us empower the next billion developers to make them 10x more productive.